So to find the probability of a basic event today, you roll an 8-sided die. Find the probability of rolling a number less than 7. First thing you gotta do is figure out what all the possible outcomes are gonna be. That is gonna be the sample space. We indicate that with a capital S. And then we're gonna list all the possible outcomes using set notation brackets. All the possible outcomes, we could have a 1, 2, 3, all the way to 8. So there's going to be 8 total possible outcomes. And we want the probability of rolling a number less than 7. We can indicate that like this. What you want to do is you want to count all the possible events of getting an outcome less than 7. There's going to be 6 of them. So the probability is going to be a fraction with 6 on top. And then you want to divide by the total number of possible outcomes, which is the 8. And then make sure you know how to simplify fractions. You need to realize that these two numbers are both divisible by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the probability of rolling an 8-sided die and getting a number less than 7 is going to be 3/4. If you write this as a decimal, it would be 0.75. And writing it as a percent, you would move the decimal 2 spots to the right. That is 75%. So there's a 75% chance of rolling a number less than 7 when you roll an 8-sided die.